Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow specific users to add your link when forwarding your messages on Telegram Web, right from your PC. This feature was updated recently, so if you want more control over who can tag your account in forwarded messages, stay tuned and follow each step carefully. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. Next, from the list that appears, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all your privacy controls and permissions. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages? This setting determines who's allowed to attach your Telegram link whenever your messages are forwarded. Click on this option and then select Nobody to block access for everyone by default. After that, you'll see an additional option appear called Always Allow. This is the key step. Click on Always Allow and a list of your contacts will show up. From here, select the specific users you want to give permission to. You can pick as many as you like depending on who you trust with this privacy setting. Once you've chosen the users, make sure to confirm your selection. Telegram will instantly save your preferences,